The other big story at this hour, Arvind Kejriwal, Aam Aadmi Party leader and former Delhi Chief Minister, has been taken into custody by the Delhi police in a defamation case. That case, he has refused to furnish a bail bond of 10,000 rupees that was required in that case. Achal Vora is covering those developments. Achal, he will be in custody till the 23rd, the next date of hearing?
Well, Amitabh, I'll just take my phone close to Mr. Gopal Rai. He's just talking to the press. Hopefully you'd be able to hear it as well.
Okay.
लेकिन अभी थोड़ी देर बाद सारी परिस्थितियों का अवलोकन करेंगे हम लोग। अभी तैयार हो गए थे, लेकिन फिर पैसे की बात के कोर्ट से तो वो मुकर गया। आखिर ये क्या समझ नहीं आया। देखिए, पहली बात मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि ये जो सारी प्रक्रियाएं हैं, ये अदालत में पहली बार नहीं चल रही। अदालत में बहुत सारे मुकदमों में बहुत सारी चीजों का मानवी लगाते हैं, अपनी बात रखते हैं, लेकिन आज अचानक नए परिस्थितियों में जिस तरह से जेल की तरफ जाने का फैसला हुआ है, अभी हम सारी परिस्थितियों का अवलोकन करके ही हम निर्णय लेंगे और आगे कार्रवाई करेंगे। वो तो एक आम प्रोसीजर है, हर व्यक्ति इस तरह के मामलों में दे देता है। पर्सनल बॉन्ड क्यों देने से इनकार कर रहे हैं? नहीं, पहली बात मैंने यही कहा कि ये इनकार करने की प्रक्रिया पहली नहीं है। हर हियरिंग पे हर बार हमने यही काम किया है। अगर पहले ही भेज दिए होते, कोर्ट ने पहले भेज दिया होता, आज ही क्यों भेजा?
That was the voice of Gopal Rai there, just telling you more about that case. Arvind Kejriwal has refused to furnish a bail bond of 10,000 rupees that was required in this defamation case against him filed by Nitin Gadkari. Apparently, during that hearing, Mr. Kejriwal initially said he would give an undertaking that he would appear before the court, but he will not furnish any bail bond. That's according to Prashant Bhushan. Senior advocate Pinky Anand, representing Nitin Gadkari, opposed that, saying the law is equal for all and Mr. Kejriwal should furnish the bail bond. Achal Vora is back on the phone line with us. Achal, we couldn't hear very clearly what Gopal Rai was saying.
Well, Mr. Gopal Rai was saying, why is it that in this case the judge had to go ahead and ask the police to take Mr. Kejriwal in custody? He said that this is not the first time they've taken this stand. And essentially what they were saying was that Mr. Kejriwal is not a criminal, so an undertaking could have been taken. And it is the judge's prerogative to either accept a bail bond or in some cases also go ahead and accept an undertaking. They're saying they're considering Mr. Kejriwal is not a criminal. The judge could have taken an undertaking that he would appear for all hearings, but not go ahead and file for that bail bond. Us furnishing that bail bond for Aam Aadmi Party would have meant that they are accepting that they're criminals and hence they didn't want to go ahead and do it. Of course, Mr. Gopal Rai was then showered with questions whether this is a step that Aam Aadmi Party has taken to stay in public discourse, to garner more support, and basically have the cameras turned over them, to which Mr. Gopal Rai didn't say much and just moved ahead. So this is going to be really a talking point now. Amitabh, what was there really such a big need of Aam Aadmi Party to make a simple procedural thing into a big affair where Mr. Kejriwal, the chief of the party, would in fact prefer being imprisoned or being taken into custody rather than just give a bail bond that was only about 10,000 rupees. The judge would have asked, at least in front of us, about twice or thrice if Mr. Kejriwal would go ahead and furnish the bail bond, and Mr. Kejriwal, even to that, has said no.